Everyone, welcome to Chat Jamaican. We're going to look at the months of the year in Jamaican Patois. Two columns, one with the months of the year and the other with the Jamaican Patois. The first month is January, and the Patois for January is Janerey. 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 At February. The Patois for February is Feberery. Feberery. That's Feberery. The third month is March, but March remains the same. It is still spelled March. And April in Jamaican Patois is Yeprell. Yeprell. That's Yeprell. We will now look at the month of May, and May remains the same, May. In Patois also remains the same, which is June. So a Jamaican will say June. Now we're going to look at July, and July in Patois remains the same. It is July. The next month that we want to discuss is August, and August in Patois is Augus. Augus, Augus. September. The Patwah for September is Septemba. Septemba, Septemba. October. The Patwah is Actowba. Actowba. For the month of November, the Patwah is Novemba. Novemba, Novemba. December. The Patwah for December is Decemba. Decemba, Decemba. Okay, let us do a quick revision. For the month of January, the Patwah is Janerey. The Patwah is Janerey. For the month of February, the Patwah is Feberery. The Patwah is Feberery. For the month of March, the word remains the same. For April, it's Yeprell. 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 For May, the word remains the same. June also remains the same as the English. For the month of July, it is spelled the same as the English. August. The Patwah is Augus. August. September. The Patwah is Septemba. The Patwah is Septemba. For the month of October, the Patwah is Actowba. Actowba. For the month of November, the Patwah is Novemba. Novemba. For the month of December, the Patwah is Decemba. December. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Little more.